Yeah. Now I am.
Ooh. Alright, thank you.
Who was that?
It was Jay from Wachovia. If it's from the bank, you know that. Now pick it up. Stab it with this thing and pick it up. I won't be eating with that. So? Just grab it, please, somebody.
Look, for me
Someone
anyway.
stepped on it again and smushed it more.
Ew.
Dot, did you do that? No, she did it, Dot. Pick it up now. No. You hit me like, yeah, you don't have to be down with What is your mama from? Pick it up, I'm serious. Come on. Just pick up one little turd. There's 3 turds. I think we can here. Okay. Alright.
Tissues everywhere.
Put the fork down. Okay, put my drumstick down. No, I don't trust you. Put my drumstick down. No!
Bucket of ashes.
No! Hey, we just get one piece. Put it down or I'll shake you. I'm getting up. I'm getting one piece. I know that.
There's 3 pieces all together.
Get a piece. Get it. You do. Okay, I'm getting the first one. Now go closer.
Get the one that's not on the carpet, because that one's got to clean up good.
Someone has to get 2 pieces. I got one. No. No, just grab that piece too. Ew. I have to wash it down the toilet. I got 1 piece.
There's 1 piece on
Now
the carpet.
there's the big
still.
turd.
Oh my god. Here.